Welcome back! In this video, we'll be making crepes. It's a type of pancake, but much thinner. Here to assist me is my brother, Peyton.
Hi, my Teagan.
And you always need adult supervision, so I got my dad right there. Let's get started. The first thing we need is flour, yogurt, any type of flavor, milk, and sugar. Oh, and we also need an egg. So we need all these ingredients. Let's get started. Last but not least, a bowl and a whisk. And also something to scoop up the yogurt, a spoon. Okay, so we're going to put the flour first. You need a half a cup of flour. At least this much. Here, pour it, Peyton.
Okay.
We are going to put some sugar. So you're going to need 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2. Now we're going to need yogurt. And use your spoon to scoop it out.
College.
And you at least need half a cup. Now we are going to put the egg.
Ooh.
Remember always to wash your hands after you crack an egg. After you're done washing your hands, you're going to do at least half a cup of milk. Okay, now we're going to mix. Peyton will mix for us, but later I'll mix. You should stir like this, so all the crumbs and little pieces would want to take away all of that.
While we make
away.
This looks like butter. Let me see it. No, let me get taste it.
Now we're going to need some butter, a non-stick pan, and a spatula. You will also need a scooper. Remember kids, do not do this by yourself. You should always have an adult supervision like how my dad's going to assist me right now. It could be very dangerous if you do it by yourself. You might catch a fire or get burned. So you should always have an adult supervision. So, my personal favorite is with cream. So I'm going to put some on my pancake. You don't have to do with cream or Nutella if you want. You can add fruits, jam, even peanut butter. Thanks for watching! If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And remember, you are what you practice, so practice well.